Tumatanda na ako. Wala na mag-aalaga sa kumpanya ko. Wala naman ako maaasahan sa mga anak ko. Patay na rin si Layla.
Hey, hey, young. Ren He, you don't have any respect. We like that. You don't have any concern with your dad's business. You only enjoy your life whining with all of your stupid guts. You black sheep of the family, you're enjoying your life. Wag ka man lang alam ng business papa mo.
As if you want me to be his Ji Changsheng.
How dare you? How dare you?
You don't have any single word to slap me. Shameful. Why hindi mo shame?
You don't have any respect to me as your second one. How dare you?
Don't you dare touch me again. Motion. If so, I'm going to kill you. Motion.
Hey! Hey, what are you doing? Hey! Look at me. You used to your tycoon. I need a tough and business-minded. Hey, look at me. Nisay! Nisay! Look at me. Understand? Ikaw lang tagapagmana ng ating pamilya. Naiintindihan mo ba? Not that shit! Understand? Hey, good girl, ha? Good girl.
Here's your copy, sir.
Anong ginagawa mo dito? Lawful?
I'm just checking on you. Oh, you're here, Sansa. You want something?
No thanks, baka may lasin pa yan.
What's the matter?
Ikaw, pinakasalan ka na ng kapatid ko para sa tiyan mo. Che! And, huwag masyadong sweet, kadire. Anong nakakatawa?
Huwag ka nang umasang may mapapala ka sa kumpanyang ito. Sales.
Hindi pa tayo tapos. Any business with you, sales. Inubos mo ang pasensya ko. So, kaya ka ba ipapatay?
And evidence. Go on shop. 80% of this company's share is mine. Miss Wade.
Yan, para mahimas-masan ka naman. Para yan sa pananaldi mo sa asawa mo.
Para sa pananaliti mo sa asawa mo.
Wala akong kasama pagkukulang sa asawa mo. Wala akong sa'yo. Ikaw.
No, darling. Don't be so stupid. Don't let her blood ruin your instant anger.
Look who's here. The black sheep of the family.
Renhe,
Buong buhay mo, masama ka sa pamilyang to. Siya, wala kang pag-asa. Baba. Shit. Whatever. Oh, girl. Kailangan lang. Stupid ka na. Magbabay ka sa'yo.
Ni Xiao Shenme,
Wala talagang pag-asa ang Wu Chao sa inyong dalawang magkapatid. Pareho kayo ng lanay ng puso.
Xiao Shenme,
I said, 你看起来像我是。你不要谁谁求你。
ni Hui Xing Lin, ni Mei Bai.
Ngayon patay na yung asawa mo. Ngayon patay na si Leila. Nagsisialisa na yung mga investors natin sa company.
Hindi ko alam yun. Mukhang walang interes yung mga anak ko sa kumpanya natin.
Let me handle everything, Gaya.
Ako tumatanda na. Kailangan natin businessman. Sino sa inyong dalawa?
No, Baba, I'm not interested to your business.
So do I. I am not interested in your business, Baba.
Are you okay? Okay. Baba!
20% of Mr. Chow's share will be divided to his second wife, and his sister, 80% of Mrs. Chow's share will be divided to her two daughters.